So in this question, we are going to divide this. What's the degree of this polynomial? What's the degree? What's the degree of this polynomial? 4. And then we are going to divide by this. So this is the divisor, and this is the dividend. The degree of the divisor must be smaller or equal to the degree of the dividend. So this can be power 1, power 2, power 3, can also be power 4. All right? So we will write it in the long division format. So what is the first term that we have? Such that when we multiply by 2x squared, we get 6x power 4. We will multiply this by 3x squared. So then we will have 6x power 4. Now your duty is to make sure that after you multiply, it will be exactly the same coefficient. Must be exactly the same. Even the sign must be the same. Same number, same sign. Okay, and then we will do this another 2 more times. So every time we have to do it 3 times because the divisor has 3 terms. So the second time we will get negative 12x cubed, and the third time we will get plus 9x squared. So what do we do with the top and the bottom? We will first have to minus, then we bring down. Minus, bring down, minus, bring down. So we minus first. Okay, this will give us minus, minus become plus. If you are not sure, just press calculator. Negative 8 minus negative 12. Please press calculator if you are not sure. What is that? Negative 8 minus negative 12. Yes, it's 4. If you didn't know it was 4, right? Can you please make sure you use calculator every single time? Okay, then we will bring down. We will minus first. And we have minus. Sorry, there's a cube here. Okay, then we will minus again. We will get 6x squared. 3 minus 9. Okay, negative 6x squared. We have to bring it down. Okay, make sure there are 3 terms. Okay, and then we will get plus 4x. Okay, what is the next term that you're going to choose? Such that you get 4x cubed. Plus or minus? It must be the same sign, right? So you must have plus 2x. Okay, again, do it 3 times. 4x cubed. Minus 8x squared. And one last time. Plus 6x. What must you do to these 2 expressions? Yes, you always minus, just like what you do in primary school for your long division. And the first one will definitely become 0. It must become 0. So we eliminate the x cubed term. And for this, we have 2x squared minus 2x and bring down the negative 1. Okay, I need 2x squared, right? So I need to multiply by plus 1. And I will get 2x squared. Okay, you have to do this clearly and slowly. Minus 4x plus 3. Finally, what must you do? Okay, you must minus again, right? What do we get? 2x minus 4. Okay, now let's write it in the equation form. This is our dividend. It is equals to, okay, so we use the divisor multiply by the quotient. So we write down as a quotient. And what do we do with the remainder? We plus the remainder. So if you expand this whole expression on the right hand side, you should get the left hand side. Now, I need to divide by 2x squared plus 3. It's exactly the same polynomial, but you notice that I removed the minus 4x. How do I write it for the divisor? What should I write here for the divisor? 2x squared. Okay, but we are not going to write plus 3. Okay, we're going to make an improvement. We will write plus 0x plus 3. Okay, every time you see one of the power missing, right? Can you please write 0 for the coefficients? Sometimes you see powers coefficient here missing. So let's say this is missing, right? Then you write a 0x cubed. If you see this term missing, you write a 0x squared. If you see this term missing, you write a 0x. Is that clear? And if you, even for the constant missing, you write plus 0. If anything that's missing, all right, in terms of the power, it is not in running order, please put a 0. Can you all guess why we do that? Yeah, so that you will not miss out. What do I multiply first? On top here? 3x squared. Okay, we do it quickly. I hope I don't make mistake. Okay, now this is the reason why we have to have a 0. I will plus 0x cubed, and then I will plus 9x squared. And you minus, subtract. That will give us negative 8x cubed. Okay, please take note here is a negative 8x cubed. And I minus, so minus 6x squared. Again, bring it down. That's why it's important to write 0 if it's not there. You also have to bring down the 0. Okay, always after that you bring down one term. Okay, and plus 4x. Okay, I bring down. Okay, next, I need to have negative 4x because I need to have the same sign. And that will give us negative 8x cubed. Again, plus 0x squared minus 12x. Subtract again. I will have negative 6x squared plus 16x. One last time, bring down the last term. And we will minus 3. That will give us negative 6x squared. Again, 0x. And minus 9. Okay, and for the remainder, I will get 16x plus 8. Okay, if we subtract the top and the bottom. All right, so if we write it in this format, okay, we will have the, I'm not going to write actually, it's not necessary for this type of question. All you need to do is find the quotient, find the remainder. So the dividend is always the divisor multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder. All right, so this is your remainder. This is your quotient. This is your divisor. And this is your dividend. All right, so that's it. Okay.